back to another video. This is the footage on the GoPro. I'm not sure how it's gonna look yet. Fingers crossed it look good. Let me put this seatbelt on. Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Beeping noise is gone. It's a POV in the nighttime. Hope this footage come out good. This is my first time filming with this camera, so I'm not really sure all the logistics of how good it's gonna film. Just bear with me for the next couple of videos. I say for the next 2-3 days, man, because you know we're doing Karmas. We're gonna call it Karmas, and we're posting every day of December, not up to Christmas, every day of December. So I need at least 31 videos. But hey man, we about to have us some fun. Let me know how you like the footage. Let me know everything. And I posted a video yesterday, and the reactions, actually it's gonna be the day before yesterday, of me running into that Lamborghini. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see more videos in the BMW, because I believe that video had like the most views so far. Y'all want to see some POV. I know y'all like the loud cars, man, but I just thought this car had like a better view of the interior and shit like that. But I mean, it's whatever. I personally like to watch videos that be calm, chilling in the night. But I'm not gonna lie, I do watch other videos where the exhaust be loud, they be flying through the city, whoop-de-whoop. That goes on in other cars. So comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see, because I'm ready to give y'all whatever y'all want. Y'all tell me go buy a motherfucking Urus tomorrow, I'm gonna do it. I don't care what y'all say. I need the views. Nah, but for real, I need more views, literally. But yeah, man, I just left dinner with my family, just cruising around at this point, enjoying the city views, city lights. I'm not sure. Y'all ain't comment down below much and let me know if y'all like the music in here or not, or whether y'all would rather me just talk the whole time, talk y'all ears off. So guess what? I'm gonna talk y'all ears off. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh man, I'm catching every red light, bro. Every red light. I'm gonna launch at the light. Put it in sport. Hold up, there. Put it in sport. Feel me? Put it in sport. Put the heated seats on. See, that's the difference with this car. I can put the heated seats on. Matter of fact, I'm hot. Put the cooling seats on. Never mind, it's too cold. You know, put the heated steering wheel on. Okay, we good. You feel me? So I like riding this car more than my other car, because everything is raw with that one. It's just straight power. But power is W, right? Launch mode. Launch 1, 2, 3. Y'all stop playing with me like this bitch gonna take off now. Come on. I should do a paddle shifting video next. Should I hit the paddle shifters with y'all? Let y'all see how I use that? I wanna see the paddle shifters work. Which way I'm gonna go? I'm gonna go down this street. This street be pretty lit. It be pretty lit. For all my people that used to watch my detailing videos, I appreciate all y'all that stuck around to watch, you know, my other content. It means a lot to me, man. It means you're sticking around not just for, you know, a certain video, but you're sticking around for my content. That means a lot, because those videos took a lot of my time for the amount of views I got. And I'm not gonna sit here and act like I didn't appreciate those views, because I definitely did. Definitely appreciate it. Like, who's gonna be mad at 2K views, you know? But if you guys know how much effort a detail took when it comes to recording, the details already take 3 hours, especially if you're dealing with a big car. So imagine recording, catching slow motion shots, that's an extra 2 hours every time. Y'all think I won't go home? So, and everybody, like, I feel like I put a lot of content, a lot of, you know, thought into those videos, and then for somebody to just post a video up and get 1 million views, it just didn't make sense to me. So I'm showing you guys what I enjoy on my personal time, and that's cars, that's, you know, driving, and that's where I'm at with my channel right now. You know, I may incorporate a couple details here and there, but probably it won't be as detailed as it was. Probably be a day in the life or something like that. But yeah, man, at this point, that's where I'm at with my YouTube. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We push past 1,000 subscribers, and we're going for that 5,000 mark. Will we hit it? Yes. My goal is to hit this thing by the end of Vlogmas. Will it happen? Yes. I'm not gonna say maybe, because what type of fool would not believe in himself? So we're gonna get these views, get these subscribers, get these likes. Ain't that right, Mom?
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean? So yeah, with that being said, comment down below, like the video, let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite ice cream? What's your favorite pair of shoes? You know, do you have a GoPro? What GoPro settings do you use for real? Cause I'm pretty new to the GoPro. I had a GoPro, but I never really used it. I filmed on like a Sony and a Canon. Never really particularly used just a GoPro. But this new one, the footage looks good. Look at this shit. You saw that? Motherfucker tried to cut me off for some damn cookies. If y'all ever had insomnia cookies, the shit good. But don't get in the accident. It ain't worth it. Everybody walking up this street eating these cookies, man. These cookies they good. Don't get me wrong. I ain't gonna do that.
Cookies from Insomnia or Crumble?
Bruh, Insomnia better than Crumble. I can't even do that. Crumbles ain't cookies to me though.
Yeah, it's
Crumbles
more
is
like
cake.
A pastry, yeah. It's just that they have so many different like flavors, and it's like fun to look what they have for the week and stuff like that. But Insomnia, the actual cookies, if you're a cookie connoisseur like myself,
yeah, it's kind of cool. Yeah. I can't really see the footage yet, but I got a good feeling it's gonna come out good. I got a pretty good feeling it's gonna come out good. So fingers crossed. Y'all keep y'all fan. Oh, the Vikings. What today? Saturday? Why y'all Vikings jerseys on? Oh, the Vikings play the Falcons tomorrow or something?
I'll look it up for you.
Probably so. I mean, I don't care, cause I'm a Saints fan. We really don't fuck with the Falcons. Comment down below your favorite football team, man. Falcons.
Yeah.
Ass. Saints. Best team in NFL. I don't care. I ain't counting this season. This season don't count.
Or last season.
Or last season. This season definitely don't count. We don't got our head coach. We lost our QB. We figuring stuff out. Like, let us rock. For real. Let us rock. They done built so many buildings over here in the past couple of years. It's crazy. Like, so crazy. One thing I can say about these GoPros though, they do get hot quick. But I seen a video, right? The video said that GoPros are action cameras, so they're supposed to be in action. So it's like it'd be expecting when to hit it and this, that, and the third, which is why, you know, it could get hot so quickly. Which I ain't know that. That was like good to know, cool to know, whatever. But like, go ahead and get that thing around there real quick. But that's cool to know. Or whatever. Ooh. Does that mean I'm gonna be running around this motherfucker trying to cool it off? No. But I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed and hope it don't heat up and turn the AC on.
Turn the AC on.
See? 70 degrees.
So we can't go right here?
That's what I'm saying. Like, what he mean by this? Bro, the president better be in the state. The president sleep. It's bedtime. Joe Byron cannot sleep past 8. If y'all live in Atlanta, you know, we all be riding around this city. What's y'all favorite place to ride around? We all be at a lot, man. I like that venture. Let me see some other spots that y'all be at. You might check out a couple restaurants y'all be eating at, stuff like that. Then I might give y'all a couple of my restaurants I eat at. Alright, let me me see. Tesla just wild out, I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, can we get this video to 50 likes? Y'all give me 50 likes, I'll be satisfied. 50 likes and at least I want 10 comments, but I'm gonna just say 5 because y'all been giving me like a little bit, so I'm gonna say 5 comments, 50 likes. I think we could do that. If you're watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Might as well hit the subscribe button if you already didn't. Hit that bell right next to it. Let's see. Oh. Took y'all up the street so I can get a nice little vibe of the lights. It's real nice over here. See, I can get a good view of the lights over there. You don't see that? Yeah, man, Peachtree, they have a lot of stuff going on in the street if y'all never came to Atlanta. They got some real strong drinks at the Vortex. If you go there, tell them I sent you, and the person that sent you ask y'all to get a Skull Crusher. Whatever happens after that, that's on y'all. Y'all drink that Skull Crusher, y'all know how to drink, that's on y'all. That ain't my fault. You should have known that before you decided to drink something called the Skull Crusher. Alright? So if you can't drink or nothing like that, don't do it. But go ahead and try it. I'm gonna show y'all right here. But right here, go to the Vortex. That's what you wanna try. Bro, it is. I hope y'all can see him on camera. Nigga, it is 60 degrees out here. This boy is tweaking. You saw that? Matter of fact, I hope that don't come on camera. Alright, watch out. Watch out. What's Sweet Hut? That's that bakery.
Wait, why is he in the street?
In the middle of the street. Broad day.
Not broad day.
Broad night. Don't do it. Them Teslas be trying to cut you off. I don't know. Might not be the smartest car. Cause drive itself. Don't let that bitch drive me.
Whatever you do, don't go to. I mean, ever.
Yeah, don't go to.
Never.
Don't go to STK. It's the worst restaurant
in the A.
In Atlanta, bro. And they be packed for no reason. Like, motherfuckers just be want to say they went to STK. I decided, or I came up with making our POV, right? And I'm not even gonna ask y'all what y'all watch it, but hopefully y'all watch it. I think I'm gonna go and do that. But I'm gonna look at this Tesla. Look at the Tesla. Look at the Tesla. They tweaking, bro. He ain't been going nowhere since I've been behind him, but been cutting everybody off. There's so much traffic outside right now, man. I'm hoping y'all enjoying the views, enjoying the video. Hopefully we run into some crazy cars. It's a fucking, what is that? Is that a Bentley? That's a Rolls Royce, I think. Hopefully y'all can see it. I don't know if y'all can see it. He's right there. Oh, he coming. Look at this. Would y'all drive that? Would y'all watch a POV in that?
Oh.
Like, comment down below. Y'all think those cars heat? Like them old schools, like not old schools, but like them London cars. Mary had the little lambs. They cool to see, you know, but would you drive it? Like, I'm telling you right now, you wouldn't catch me driving that shit. I might be in the back of one, but I'd rather be in the back of a new one. Yo, another Charge and a Tesla. You know what? That might be the 2 worst vehicles on the road. Charge and a Tesla. Y'all think I beat this Tesla at the light? Cause he was like he'll try me. What y'all think? He look like he'll try some shit. I'm gonna do it to him too. But he cheating. He cheat. I don't even want to race bro, cause bro can't even drive. I changed my mind. He hit this bitch. It's gonna be a UFC POV. Yeah, I don't wanna see him hit this one. Bro, this camera hot as shit. Jeez. I'll let bro go ahead about his business. Told y'all, I'm a man of my word. If I told y'all I was gonna get a GoPro, y'all should have believed me. I don't know why you ain't believe me. I don't be lying. I don't got a reason to, you feel me? I got no reason to lie to y'all. The boy said he gonna get a GoPro. 9 times out of 10, he gonna get a GoPro. And guess what? It was a gift. Now what? Better get you a W girl. Y'all walking around with them L girls. Get y'all a W girl. Y'all don't get a W one, then you ain't gonna have a GoPro. G-Wagon, man, this color is nice. I like that color. They got another Porsche up there. Clean, clean. I like to see it. I like to see it. Okay, now I'm recording with the other camera because the other one, like I said, gets hot and whatnot. So yeah, it's hot. So yeah, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, I think this video is pretty lengthy right now. Which is perfect. Which is perfect. So I'm gonna get the like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the video. Reply to all the questions if you watch the whole video. And once again, man, I appreciate y'all. We're gonna keep going up from here and here only. See y'all. And the goal expectation today is 50 likes, 5 comments. And the end goal is 5,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that sub button. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.